Hi friends, a little change of scenery today. I'm in the teen room. As you've probably heard by now, our doors are unlocked. You are welcome to come see us and browse and use the computer without an appointment now, and we are so happy to do that. So for our June take-home craft, it's gonna be a little bit different. This is really a craft for anyone, for kids, teens, adults, whoever. So if you see this and this looks like something that is interesting to you, let us know and we'll hook you up. So June is Pride Month. Our goal this month is to adorn our front fence with a giant rainbow flag designed by all of us and all of our patrons. So what we're gonna do in the craft kit is provide you with one of these little flags, or more than one if you have a family that each person wants to do one. We're gonna hook you up with some really great glitter pens and an acrylic pen to write with. So what we're gonna do is, they're all different colors. We're gonna give you a bag with all the stuff you need to make them really glittery and glamour. And then we're gonna string them along the front gate. Now, the prompt that I am putting in there is to write something about yourself that you're proud of. So I wrote, I am proud to be a good friend who loves to try new things. That's what I thought of when I made this. And we hope for y'all to write something that you're proud of about yourself. Think of something you really love about yourself, something that makes you special, something that makes you a good person. It doesn't have to be overly complicated. I am kind, I love my family, I love to have fun, whatever it is. We're gonna be loud and proud about it, and that's how it's gonna go this month. So let us know if you would like a little flag decorating kit. You can make it as beautiful as you'd like, and then return it back to us and we will add it to the gate. We are also going to have a drop-in day where you can come perhaps after the farmer's market on Saturday, June 25th, I believe at 10 or 10:30 in the morning. We'll have a table set up with tons more glitter pens and all that jazz to make these beautiful. And by the end of June, we hope to have all of our flags collected back that we can hang, because we're so proud of all of our patrons. We're proud of the work that we do. We're proud of, you know, how close you guys have stayed with us over this past year and a half. And we want to celebrate it. So that's going to be the June take-home craft kit. All right, bye everyone. See you again soon.